Hi everyone, I'm Mehnaz Shamsudheen. I'm CMA USA fully qualified and today I'll be sharing with you my journey with Lakshya. So college third year time I came to know about the course CMA USA. One of my cousins introduced me to it. Third year complete I knew I wanted to do CMA USA, but at time corona like full lockdown. Attending Lakshya's webinar was definitely an eye opener for me, and I would say I instantly chose Lakshya after attending that webinar. And definitely it was one of the best decisions that I made, because even at the faculty you have the mentors, everyone's very much supportive, and I feel like nammal either time the examiner time like a doubt clear, and whenever you text you get a message back, instant doubt clearing, everything. So like I feel Lakshya and the faculty as a whole and the mentors, they've played a big role in helping me clearing my exam in the first part. So as a CMA and as a person, I would definitely recommend Lakshya to anyone who is asking me. So yeah, thank you.